Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to customize your email templates in Klaviyo. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll find yourself over here in Klaviyo. On the left, you can click on campaigns. You'll find your campaigns here. From here, you can click on create campaign. You will add a campaign name and choose a campaign type. Click on continue, and here you'll click on add message, go to email, and you can choose one of their templates. Now on the left hand side, we have saved emails. We'll also have this email library over here, and you can see that there are a bunch of different templates. Now let's say we want to change template style. We can go ahead and do that here. We can also search for templates and apply some filters. You can then sort this in different ways. Ultimately, we're going to go down, look for a template that we'd like to use, and we're going to click on it. Once you click on it, you can click on use template, and then this is where the magic happens. So you'll now be forwarded to an editor. This is the template editor. This is where you'll be able to change literally everything you can on this template. So whatever element you're clicking on, it'll open up all of the details on the left hand side. So you can see the text area, background, the border, the block area, color, the padding. Then we have display, the visibility, the logic. We've got a logic builder, and then the content repeater. Here you can actually go ahead and double click on this. You'll be able to actually type out something else if you'd like to. And then if you want to add anything in here, all you literally have to do is make sure that you're out of sections, go to content, look for a basic block that you would like to add in here, click down, drag it over, and they will see there it is. Again, if you click on it, you'll be able to change all the properties of that as well as the display. And then you have some pre-built blocks. This is a basic header. This is a beach vacation, beige footer, and so forth. Now, whatever it is that you add in here, you can go ahead, literally drag it over. It'll be added in there, and you can customize it. Once you're done, you can go and preview and test it, or you can save and return back to your home page.